If you're planning to do the slaughter, what are the things that you need to do? Number one, if the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah entered and you've made the decision that you want to slaughter, the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah entered and you've made the decision to slaughter, then you should not take from your nails, you should not take from your hair, whether that hair is on your face or your body. Based on the hadith of 𝗪𝗵𝘁 that is found in Sahih Muslim, إِذَا دَخَلَتِ الْعَشْرُ, if the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah enter, وَأَرَادَ أَحَدُكُمْ, and one of you intends أَن يُضَحِّيَ, one of you wants to slaughter, فَلَا يَمَسَّ مِنْ شَعْرِهِ وَبَشَرِهِ شَيْئًا, don't touch your hair and don't touch your body parts, meaning don't touch your nails and don't touch the hair that's on your body. Second point, this prohibition is specific to the person who is slaughtering, not the family members that he's slaughtering on their behalf. So the wife is allowed to cut her hair, the wife is allowed to take from her nails, even if her husband isn't allowed to, because he's the one who's doing the slaughtering. Because the Messenger ﷺ said in the hadith, إِذَا أَرَادَ أَحَدُكُمْ, if one of you intends, the one who's doing it, and it wasn't mentioned on behalf of those who is doing it. And so because the Messenger didn't say it, no one can make it obligatory on them that they have to keep their body parts or they can't cut. No one can prohibit it from them.